Hi friends and family, and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer. On this channel we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxings. I've started to do clothing hauls, which I think are absolutely fun and exciting, and I have started to try and dabble with some vlogs. I'm not very good at it yet. Camera kind of shakes a lot, but I'm figuring it out. So I would love it if you would consider, subscribing, like, comment, hitting the notification bell. I do have a Shein series going on where I'm posting every Sunday a version or a piece of that series. So yeah, please hang out and stick around. Sometimes I have shenanigans, sometimes I say random things, sometimes we just have fun, or at least I like to think so. So today we're going to be reviewing LiveGlam. So LiveGlam is a Lippie monthly subscription for $19.99 a month. You usually receive 3 Lippies per month. Sometimes you will receive a 4th item. Depends on how generous they're feeling that month. You also can get a lip liner, lip scrub, or lip gloss. It just all depends on what that month's selection is. The awesome thing about this is if you don't like that month's collection, you can swap it out for another collection, and they have a huge variety of choices. It's not just, 1 to 3 items. They have at least 5 sets to choose from. The other thing you can do is if there's just one color you don't like, then you only swap out one. So you can do 1 or you could do all 3, but either way it's a lot of fun. Builds up your makeup collection, or your lipstick, lippy collection, which is why I joined. So yeah, let's go ahead and... Oh, I thought we were gonna let her rip. See, that's the shenanigans I talk about. Now I usually... What am I trying to say? I'm trying to say like 4 things at once that are going through my head. But, okay, first thing I'm trying to say is that I get this shipped to me on the 20th of the month, so sometimes I'm reviewing this at the beginning of the next month. I can't remember all the other things I wanted to say, but anyway. You do get a cute little card with the theme of the month. This one says Wanderlust Wishes, and then it will tell you, for April 2021, and then on the back it will tell you your colors and give you a little bit of description about that, and then you do get some little stuff here. The other cool thing is that you always get this cute little silk bag. I like the little silk bag because you can reuse these for a lot of things, obviously. I also like it because if you want to put these lippies or any lipstick or any makeup in your purse, these silk bags are so helpful so you don't get that makeup debris on the inside of your purse. I bet this would probably even be a good idea for pens so you don't have pen marks. So yeah, let's see what we got in here today. Alright, let's see what the Wanderlust. Alright, so this month we have 4. So I guess they were feeling a little bit giving for April, because yeah, usually it's 3. Like I said, sometimes we randomly get a 4th or something different than a lippy, but look at how gorgeous these are. The other thing I want to mention is you do always get a set, like the theme will always be part of the lids, which I think is a fun idea. This must be a lip liner. I have not tried their lip liners, and I usually don't put lipstick on these videos so that we can give it a try. So the colors in here are called Paris, Milan, and Rome. So it looks like we are traveling thy world today. All right, let's see. I've learned that we're gonna do the lightest color first, and I've learned because I do these, I do the makeup swatch, the lip swatch live, so yeah. These look like they are all matte colors. You do get this doe foot applicator. I have not seen any different types. They're usually the same kind here. This one is the Paris color. Oh, look at how gorgeous that is. Ooh, yes, please. So Paris says, Paris is always a good idea. I agree. And so is this matte pink nude shade. It's the perfect daytime lippy for sightseeing, wine tasting, and crepe eating in the city of love. That's a good one. I do totally agree with that. All right, so I'm gonna put the lipstick on, and it might be messy. That's okay. It's just makeup. It wipes off. We're in a judgment-free zone, I hope, or at least I think so. And let's go ahead and put that on thy lips. Ooh. So it's a little bit bright for my skin tone, I feel like. I do like it. I think maybe it's just the bright colored eyeshadow that I have on today, which is from the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty, and I love it. So I had to use, you know, the bright colors in there. I mean, yeah, like, come on, man. All right, so already dried on the lips, feels very good. It's not drying. I know I say this every month, but it doesn't make you feel like your lips are just so dry and chapped. They actually have some moisture. They stay on pretty good. You may have to do a light touch-up after drinks and dinner, but nothing terrible about that. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is Milan. This one is, here's the applicator here, so kind of the same little didgeridoo on that. Ooh, pretty. Okay, and then that's this color here. So it's just a tad bit darker than the first color. All right, let's go ahead and see what that looks like on thy lips, because we've seen what it looks like on thy skin. Oh, I like it. So this one is much more, like, I feel like this one is starting to match my skin tone. I did feel like the other one was a little bit lighter, but again, I think I can make it work. It could just be my green and blue shadow today, which, you know, I wanted to have fun with the colors. But again, it's already dried. Doesn't really, I mean, came off a little bit, but nothing too bad. Like I say, same thing. Very good. It feels very good on the lips. Not too dehydrating. Not too, like, doesn't feel like that or anything. So let's go ahead and move on to the next guy. Those are the shenanigans I talk about. Move on to the next guy. And I'm talking about the lip color. Okay, please hold. Okay, so our next color is Rome, and I'm sorry, I forgot to read about Milan. So Milan says, I don't know this word. You're gonna laugh at me. Don't laugh at me, judgment-free zone. What is it? Caio? Say Caio Bella. Caio Bella, we're off to Italy, but we can't head there without this gorgeous red-toned mauve. You can eat as much pizza and pasta as your heart desires, and this shade won't budge. Ooh, I like. All right, so for real, we're gonna move on to Rome. And Rome says, for a night out on the town, grab this bold mauve brown and let's head to the capital. Even if you're a tourist, you'll be running any city with this, wearing this shade. Ooh. I like to run things, that's for sure. So here is the applicator there. And ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah. Very nice. Okay, let's put that on the lips. Ooh. Okay, I think this one is my favorite. And it looks good with my look. I really like that. Oh, that's pretty. And I could already feel it drying down fairly quickly. So same thing, same texture, which I always love, and which is why I stick around. Stick around, James Brown. I don't know if that rhymed or not, but it was funny to me in my head. Okay, now we've got a lip pencil or a lip liner. This is, I believe, yeah, I'm pretty sure like this is the first time that I've tried one from LiveGlam. So super cute little hearts and gold. I don't know, like a, I don't know if it's copper or rose gold. Wouldn't rose gold kind of be copper anyway? I don't know. It is the type that you can sharpen. Look at how pretty this is. This is called Pecan Pie. So we don't have anything on our list about pecan pie. It's just the 3 Lippies. So there we go. Ooh. So pecan pie is more of, well, obviously pecan color, so it's a little bit more brown. I am going to put it on the, I know I have this color on. We're just going to do it because we are. Oh, I know, usually you put lip liner on first. Let's, you know, just be cool. And again, I know it's not the most perfect thing or perfect way, but but there is that. I'm really happy with it. I really like it, even with the color I'm wearing, and even putting it on after. I'm like really happy with that. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the recap. So we got the pecan lip liner. We've got the Rome. What was Rome again? Rome was the mauve brown. Milano was the, sorry, I'm getting old. Okay, Milan was the red toned mauve, and then we have Paris was the matte pink nude. So all 4 of these guys for $19.99. If you are interested, I will have the link below. I may earn points if you use that link. I honestly don't know, because if anyone's ever signed up, I've never gotten it. So there's that. You can earn points for reviewing the products, and you can cash those out for other Lippie items. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you enjoy watching this type of unbanking. I would really like to know what you think about it. So thanks guys, we will see you soon. Bye!